Now guys, a friend had a case. It means that the car did not gain momentum with more than 80. Cleaned the nozzle, the damper, replaced air meter, went over the gearbox, disassembling the gas, changing the bobbin several times. But the problem did not disappear. They began to check the search and found out that the cut of the gas from the coil to the candle is subject to replacement. Checked with tester. There was no hint of current conductivity. Friends generally need to keep an eye on the candle. For the correctness, it can disable the coil, as in our case. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.